Hello everyone, welcome to the fifth video in finding the unit digit or the last digit of a number in the number system series videos. In this video, we'll try to find out the unit digit of numbers that are factorials. Let's try to understand this concept. The first one, we have a question 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial, 4 factorial plus 5 factorial up to 10 factorial. We need to find the unit digit. So what is a factorial? A factorial of a number is nothing but 1 factorial is just 1. 2 factorial is 2 into 1. 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which can be written as 4 into 3 factorial. Then 5 factorial is nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which will be like 5 into 4 factorial, so on and so forth. So 10 factorial will have like 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. So 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. So you see this itself is like such a big number, right? 10 factorial plus 9 factorial plus 8 factorial up to 1 factorial. That's going to be a huge number. So how do you find the unit digit of such numbers? There is a catch over here. See this. Okay, this is a basic concept. So 1 factorial is 1. 2 factorial is 2 into 1 is 2. 3 factorial is 2. 3 into 2 into 1 is 6. 4 factorial is 4 into 6 is 4 into 3 factorial is 6, which is nothing but 24. 5 factorial is 5 into 24, which is 120. Okay, and then for 6 factorial will be like 720, and from here on you'll see a 0 in every factorial. Okay, even 10 factorial will have some zeros over, maybe I think it's like 2 zeros in that. So you don't have to worry about adding all or multiplying all these numbers. If you can get the factorial up to like 5 factorial, 1 factorial plus 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 and 5 factorial, then you are in a good position to find the unit digit, because after 5 factorial every unit digit will be a 0. Okay, so what you have to do, you just have to add. So let's go and add these things. Let me make some space. Okay, let me just erase this. Okay, so this is gonna be like, if you start adding them. Okay, here you go. 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2, 3 factorial is 6, 4 factorial is 24, 5 factorial is 120, 6 factorial is 720, so on and so forth till 10 factorial, which ends in like 2 zeros. So you see my unit digit of this factorial addition will be just addition of these numbers. And from here on, this is going to be 0. It doesn't make any difference for me. So I just need to add the first 4 numbers. So it's like 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 plus 24 is 33. Okay, now if I add 33 plus 120, if I add that, I'll still have the same last digit, 153. If I add 153 plus 720, my unit is still going to be same, 873, right? So my unit digit is 3 over here. So see the basic concept, you just need to add these 4 factorials, 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial. Just add those, we'll get the answer for the unit digit. Okay, let's go to the next step of this problem. Same problem, but I've used squares over here. Okay, so we know that 1 factorial is 1 plus 2 factorial is 2. Since you have a square, 2 square. 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. So 6 square. 4 factorial is 24 square. 5 factorial is 120 square, so on and so forth till 10 factorial. Now you see from 5 factorial 120 0 comes in, so I'm not worried about, so because last digit is always going to be 0. 120 into 120 like 14400. So don't worry. So add these, 1 plus 4 plus 6 square is 36 plus 24 square. 24 square, if you know the square, so 576, or you can take it as 24 into 24 plus 120 square, 14400 till 10 factorial. So you don't worry about this part, okay, because you're always going to get 0 in the units digit, so nothing to be worried. Now if you don't know the square of 24 and 24, it's pretty simple. So 4 into 4, the unit is going to be 6. Over here the units digit, what is unit digit? 36 here, but 6 is unit digit. Over here 4 is unit digit plus 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus 6 is 17. Okay, so what is the unit digit? Is 7. Unit digit is 7. You see, it's so simple. Just sit, think, observe, internalize this concept in you. See, you have to practice these problems and make your own thinking on this. Like for example, when you see 4 factorial, you should be able to say easily it's 24. Okay, and when you see 24 and 24, if you don't know the squares of 24, it's like 576. You should see, okay, the concept is I just need to find unit digits, so just multiply 4 into 4, it's 16. Okay, these concepts must be internalized for yourself, then it becomes easier for you to recall an examination and save time also. Okay, so practice these problems, make a note of these problems in your book which you have maintaining for this. It will help you a lot. Let's go for the next problem. So this is like find the unit digit of 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 5 factorial plus 10 factorial raised to 5. Okay, 10 factorial raised to 5, 100 factorial raised to 4, and 1000 factorial raised to 3. That's like a big number. But again, there will be some catch over here. You have to find unit digit. So let's see what happens. Okay, 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2, 3 factorial is 6, 4 factorial is 24, 5 factorial is 120. Okay, now then what is 10 raised to 10 factorial? 10 factorial have two zeros. Let's say some number, let's for example a into like two zeros, whole raised to 5. This will be like 10 zeros. Okay, this will be again two zeros, some number b into two zeros, whole raised to 4. This will come like 8 zeros. Okay, and then last one is 1000 factorial will have like some number, say, see, it can have more than that also. Like 100 factorial will have like lot of zeros. I'm just telling you the minimum number of zeros is for 2. You can see the power and the number 0 and say, okay, fine, 10 factorial will have at least 2 zeros. Okay, 100 factorial will have at least 4 zeros, but will have more than that. It's like close to 24 zeros something in 100 factorial. We'll learn about that in the factorial videos separately. And then you've got 1000, sorry, you've got this 1000, right, 1000 factorial whole cube, at least you'll have like 6 zeros. Okay, so now it will be like 9 zeros, right? So all zeros are just coming up. So to find the unit digit, it's again very simple. Just add these numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 24, 4 in the end, and then 0. Rest all are zeros, you don't need to worry about that. So 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 6 plus 24. 9 plus 24 is 33. Therefore your unit digit is 3. See that? As simple. You don't need to add 120 also in this, because even you can add, but this since 0 it doesn't make a difference, right? If you see 4 plus 0 is 4 thing, same thing, so you don't need to worry about that. That's your unit digit. Let's go for the next problem, sorry. Okay, it says 1 factorial raised to 99 plus 2 factorial is 98, 3 factorial is 97 till 99 factorial is to 1. So reduce this in simplest form. 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2 raised to 98, plus 3 factorial is 6 raised to 97. We saw 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. 4 factorial is 24 raised to 96. 5 factorial is 120 raised to 95. So on and so forth up to 99 factorial. Okay, which I'm sure will end in some zeros. 19 factorial ends in 0, right? So don't worry about that. Next one. 1 plus 2 raised to 98. 2 into 98, 4 into x, 4 into 24 plus 2 plus 6 into 4 into 23 plus 2 plus 24 is nothing but 4 raised to 96 is nothing but 4 into 24 plus 120 will always have zeros, so don't worry about that, it will end in zeros. So addition of that doesn't make any difference for us, or will not have any problems or challenges with that. So some number ending in zeros. Okay, so this is like, so this is nothing but some number that ends in zeros, multiple zeros. I'm just putting 3 for the sake of explanation over here. Okay, now and take this 1 plus 2 into 2 raised to 4 into 24, this is 4x form. This is in the form of 2 raised to 4x. That's 2 raised to 4 is always in 6 into 2 raised to 2 plus 6 raised to 4 is always in 6 into 6 raised to 2 plus 4 raised to 4 is always in 6 plus some number that ends in 0, and you add many more numbers that end in 0, so unit digit doesn't change. 6 plus 6 into 4 is 24. It's nothing but 4. So as I told you previously in one of the note points, any even number when multiplied by 6 except for 0 gives the same even number. So 4 into 6 will give you 24 as unit digit. In the unit digit only, okay? And 6 into 6 unit digit is again 6 and 6. So now add these up. Sorry, the first one is 1 over here. It's not 6. Okay? Please be careful, you'll make some silly mistakes. We are all humans, but then avoid these mistakes in examination. So 1 plus 4, 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 5 is 17. Unit digit is equal to 7. Okay? Watch this video a couple of times. So the only concept is breaking of this 98 in the form of 4x 98. Breaking this into 4 into x plus some number, 4x plus some number, the powers. We learned that in the previous videos, right? And that will help you find the answer. So unit digit is 7. Next one. Okay, this is a very nice problem. Okay, now you see over here 4 raised to 1, 4 cube, 4 raised to 5 into 4 raised to up to 4 raised to 99 into 9 square, 9 raised to 4, 9 raised to 6 up to 9 raised to 100. So we learned that property that 4 raised to odd always ends in 4. Then 9 raised to even always ends in 1. Okay, fine. So what happens, we get number like 4 over here, 64. So this will be like 4 into 81 into 64 into then a big number over here, right? So it goes on. But what happens is you observe that the units digit, okay, the units digit of 4 will always end in 4 raised to odd number always end in 4. So you have got 50 such powers. So some number which is ending in 4 will come 50 times. This is like 50 times. 50 times. Similarly, for 9, it will be like 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 50 times, because 9 raised to 100, right? So this is also going to be 50 times, right? So now this doesn't matter for us. 1 into 150 times, the answer is still going to be 1. This answer is still going to be 1 only. But this we have to find out. 4 into 4 up to 50 times, we have to find out what is the solution, because this unit digit will be different. Now this is nothing but 4 raised to 50. Again in the form of 4 raised to 4 into 12 plus 2. Right? 4 raised to 48 into 4 raised to 2. Which is nothing but 4 raised to 48 ends in 6 always. Into 4 raised to 2 is 16. 16 into 6 is 6. So the unit digit is 6. Unit digit is 6. Your answer is 6. Okay? That's your unit digit. See that? It's so simple. So try to observe the problem. see the patterns, go back to the concepts, and you can solve the problems easily. One more problem before I close this video. So this is like 888 raised to 888 factorial. That's a very big number. People get afraid seeing this kind of problems. There's nothing to worry in this. As I told you, what is 5 factorial? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 6 factorial. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. It's nothing but 6 into 5 factorial. This is 5 factorial. 5 into 4 factorial. So what I'm trying to emphasize over here is, so each power has got at least 1 4. So the entire problem becomes in the form of 4 into x, some multiplier, 4 into x. Now any number to the power of 4x, it becomes easy for us to find the power. So this is 888. So this one is 888 raised to 4x now, some multiplier. Let it be any number, but 2 raised to 4x plus 6 raised to 4x. So this is nothing but an even number to the power of 4x always ends in 6. So 880, just take the unit digit 8. So let's say 8 raised to 4x now. This is again 2 raised to 4x and 2 raised to 4x to find the unit digit. 6 raised to 4x is 6 raised to 4x. So finally 8 raised to 4x, even number of 4 is always in 6. 2 raised to 4x and then 6. 6 and 4 6. Add this 3, you get 18 and the unit digit. So the unit digit is equal to 8. That's your answer. Okay. Fine, that's it. I would recommend you guys to watch these videos again, or go back and see the note points of the basic concepts. In the next video, I'll do some couple of questions from CDS examination or SSC examination, so that you know like what all we have covered. Thank you for watching my video. This is Arham Faraaz from Zoom Maths. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, leave a comment, let me know what kind of videos you're looking for. Have a nice day. Bye bye.